Today we're heading towards DUGA 3, aka Chernobyl 2, also known as the Russian woodpecker. You can already kinda make out the proportions of that thing, but of course once we'll get closer, I think you'll be astonished just about how huge that thing is. So here it is, the Russian woodpecker. It was referred to as the woodpecker because it would send signals at about 10 hertz. That's 10 impulses per second, so it would have these weird tapping noises that sounded pretty much like a woodpecker.
This is what it sounded like. Oh look, there's a tit. Well, that's a type of bird, seriously. It's that bird singing there.
Oh look, there's a tit. Well, that's a type of bird, seriously. That's a type of bird, seriously.
If we take a look to the right, you can also see a smaller array. That's for use of different frequencies, I believe. But still, you can see how huge these things are. That's crazy.
Oh look, there's a tit.
That's crazy.
Well, that's a type of bird, seriously.
Oh look, there's a tit. Well, that's a type of bird, seriously. It's that bird singing there.
Oh look, there's a tit.
Well, that's a type of bird, seriously. Or use of different frequencies, I believe.
Let the games begin.
Wake up, bird boy.